To better understand a bleed doesn't have to be a specific amount of image space beyond the trim. It can be whatever you want. For example, in this example, you can see that you can put as much image outside the bleed marks or the bleed lines as you desire. Uh, it's just that InDesign says, okay, let me give you some parameters in which to work so that your final piece will not look um, very busy and cluttered. So as a courtesy, it gives you these bleed lines. So to understand this, um, way back when ads were done, not digitally, but they were done manually with things like a pen and a piece of paper. Um, the bleed marks were these red lines that you set outside of the trim so that you would know exactly how far you needed to go, the minimum amount that you needed to go. But as you can see, it doesn't make a difference how much image bleeds off. In this particular case, if I were to, have it bleed off that much, it's still going to look like this. So the bleed lines, if you will, it's just a courtesy to you. All right, so that this way, when you're building your document, uh, you can supply a very neat looking document that doesn't have things just going anywhere off the edge of a page. All right, so hopefully that helps. Again, you can put any amount that you want, but the bleed lines are a courtesy to you to make your job a little easier.